What is up, everybody? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, cueing the intro. You know, one day, y'all gonna get on here and my intro is just gonna be freaking lit. And you're gonna be like, whoa, she upgraded. And you know what? When that day comes, it'll be high. Anyway, I just drove back from Live Oak, and a lot of people don't know where that is. And that is a very, very, very small town, North Florida. It's between like Jacksonville and Tallahassee, but like more like Gainesville and Tallahassee. Very, very small. And that is where I'm from, which is crazy because you hear me now and you hear no accent or anything. Or I mean, I don't think that I have an accent. But I used to always get made fun of for my accent when I first moved to like Gainesville or Orlando. I used to always get made fun of for my accent. I'm about to go in and I'm going to try to convince my friends to have a beach day with me. Because on my way over here, I just really felt it, you know? Like, it is literally a beautiful day outside. Look at this, look. It is so beautiful outside. It was such beach vibes. So I'm trying to go. So y'all about to find out if I have real down friends or not. If they ain't down for me, then they ain't gonna just say yes. But if they're down for me, they gonna be like, all right, let's do it. Hey guys! Hey! I am back from Live Oak. And thank you so much. I'm gonna just set this up real quick because Jay Sean, can you sit down on the couch, please? I have a proposition for you guys. Can we go to the beach Wednesday?
The beach? What are we doing on Wednesday? Well, then I guess let's go to the beach.
I told y'all they were not good friends.
That's a great question. Honestly, that's all that matters. Oh!
It's gonna be us and the gym brats. Which, if you guys don't know who the gym brats are, it's Bianca, Athena, and Liz. You will meet them.
Lit.
So we on?
Lit.
We going?
Yeah, we going.
Woo! Next time you guys see me, we will be at the beach. Okay, what is up, everybody? We told you next time we seen you, it would be at the beach. Here we are. We got Aaron, Jay Sean, we got Bianca. That's gym brat number 1 that I was telling you guys about. And also, you know, we got the beach essentials. We got a boogie board. I'm the only one who boogie boards, but it's fine. Got a football. Who's got the football? He's got the football. All right, this Darnell. Okay, so on beach. You guys want to see that too, you know? Look at that beautiful view. All right, we'll see you further on it.
Super Bowl. We have a great challenge. We're going to bring into the contestant's mouth, and whoever wins it is the 2020 Grand Champion. Okay, all right, let's get.
everybody. We actually did not really get that much content of the beach. See, I got a little bit burnt. But we are leaving because we hot, we tired, we dehydrated, we need some water, we need some food. Cool.
Bye.
Alright guys, I am back. It is 2 days post being at the beach. And look how burnt your girl still is. It is literally crazy, okay? Let me just give you, oh, that was rough. I'm so sorry. Sorry about that. Let me give you guys a suggestion, okay? And here's my suggestion. Wear sunscreen, okay? Don't not wear it because you think you ain't gonna burn, because that's what I did. And look at me, okay? So wear that shit because you don't wanna be like this. This is so uncomfortable right now. But anyway, I'm going to take you guys through an upper body day. Maybe back, maybe a little bit of biceps. I don't know, maybe I'm on your shoulders. We don't know. All we know is you're gonna see it. Let's get it. What is up, everybody? So I'm about to run you guys through a quick shoulder and back at-home workout using resistance bands, dumbbells. You don't necessarily have to use dumbbells, whatever you can find around the house. And hopefully next time we're hitting a workout, maybe it'll be at a gym. We undecided, who knows? But I'm gonna run you through this. I'm not gonna explain everything. I'm just gonna do it and then you can figure it out. All right.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do.
We is about to switch to back workouts. I don't have back muscles anymore, but it's okay. I'm gonna get them back. All right. So. Physique update thing, but that is it. So if you like me, you can like, comment, and subscribe, and if you don't, you can do it anyway. Then you can make fun of me or not. No, for real. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help me out. Love you guys. See you next time.